In today's video, I am going to teach you how to embed Klaviyo form on Shopify. First, open your Klaviyo dashboard. Once you are in, look at the left sidebar and click the Sign Up Forms tab. This is where Klaviyo manages all of your on-site forms, including pop-ups and embedded forms. Next, click the Create Form button to open the form gallery. At the top of the gallery, select the Embed filter. This is important because embed forms are designed to sit directly on a page, like a section on your home page, a contact page, or a dedicated newsletter page, instead of appearing as a pop-up. Now click the template you want to use. Klaviyo will ask you to select a list. Choose the list where you want new subscribers to be added. Make sure you pick the correct list, since this is what connects the form submission to your email marketing. After you confirm your template and list, go to the top right corner and click Publish. When you publish an embed form, Klaviyo provides an installation pop-up with a small block of code. Copy that code exactly as it appears. This code is what tells Shopify where to load and display your Klaviyo form. Now open your Shopify admin in a new tab. Keeping Klaviyo open can help, since you may want to reference the code again if needed. In Shopify, click Online Store, then choose Customize for your current theme. This opens the theme editor where you can add content to your pages using sections. In the left sidebar of the theme editor, navigate to the page and location where you want the form to appear. Click Add Section, then select Custom Liquid or Custom HTML depending on what your theme offers. Both options work for pasting embed code, but Custom Liquid is very common in Shopify themes. Paste the Klaviyo code into the text box. Take a moment to ensure nothing is missing and avoid adding extra characters or spaces inside the code. Finally, click Save in the top right corner. Once saved, the embedded Klaviyo form should display in that section on your store. That covers everything you need to know.